Yo guys, I'm HP and here I want to talk about the features in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy, the probably most sophisticated guitar online education systems in the web. Why? Because I'm in the business since 2003, so it's quite a while. So I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to show you the features. Takes 10 minutes of your time. If you're interested to get the maximum benefit out of this system, invest those 10 minutes because then you know all the features and you can really get a lot out of it. So let's get started. So I'm gonna quickly switch now to the system, put on my glasses and explain the system to you. So we are now directly on the front page now of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. On the desktop version, I recommend that one because there I have everything which you need to know. So here on the top you see the latest topics, and here very important you can get your subscriptions, and I strongly recommend that you get one. I quickly go there. It's really, you get a lot for your money. It's only $9.99 per month or $89 per year, and I'm going to explain what you get for that money. The most obvious feature is if you go on any topic or any tutorial, you find the tutorial which is for free, but if you want to download the files attached to that tutorial, in this case it's Creative Drop D Hard Rock Guitar Riff, click on download this file, leads you here, and if you're premium member you get here agree and download, and here you can download the files. And they're available in PDF in Guitar Pro, which is really cool because you can also play back everything and also sync it with the backing tracks which come along with the whole thing. And here you find the backing tracks which are produced in broadcast quality because I'm a composer for TV and movies, so it's not just a cheesy backing track, they're really well produced and very professional. So that's the most common feature which you get here in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. What else? Here you find search tags, click on it, and here you can find any topic. Let's say you're a rock intermediate player, click on rock intermediate, and it leads to any, as you can see, a lot of stuff, any tutorial download which is in the category. Here you see additional categories, let's say major scales. As you can hear, this is say, or rock lead guitar. Here, click on rock lead guitar. This leads you to another summary of the whole thing. And somebody's texting me. Well, and here, well, you find all the stuff which is in that category rock lead guitar, as you can see. So that's a really very good feature which is cool to know. Here you find feature content, stuff which I feature, and when you go more down, here you find available guitar courses. As you can see, the different topics. Let's go to basic rock guitar training, and here you find a course, all come with backing tracks and tabs. It's quite cool. So that's basically these are the main features, but there's a lot of additional features. When you see the navigation over here, as you can see, you find the guitar tutorials in the menu, tabs and backing tracks. Let's click here. Here find a lot of stuff. If you, well, you can search yourself. Here you find the guitar courses again. All of them are listed here. And what is also new, you also find guitar music, and very new, as you can see here, feel the space. I'm gonna produce more stuff in Dolby Atmos, which is quite cool because this allows you, if you wear headphones, that you sit in the room where the whole thing was recorded. So it's kind of you're sitting in the concert hall listening to what I recorded. At the moment it's only one recording available, but it's quite cool. There's more to come. Here you'll find the students forum. Once you become a premium member, you get an invitation, and then you, here's for students. somebody just joined here. As you can see, here's a students forum, and here you can start a new topic, but only topics which come along with about music or guitar playing. Anything else I don't want to have here in this website. Then a new feature, no, that's not a new feature. Here, my expert blog only for premium members. Here I talk about Joe Satriani's lead guitar sound. Here I talk about Eddie Van Halen's sound. So when something crosses my mind, I put it here in my expert blog, and you can read it, you can comment as you wish. This is not a new feature, the HPCrazy Guitar Lab. This is a live stream only available for premium members. I did the first one here 2 weeks ago. Here was like a 1 hour talk about yeah, as you can see, about guitar improvisation. So that's quite cool. And if you want to have your own blog, it's also possible. Here you just go here as a premium member, the functions show up, then you create a new blog, and that's it. It's quite cool. Yo, one more to say. Yeah, if you want to know how to make your premium blog, here you find the information. Now, you also find here in the services, you can also book private online guitar lessons if you wish. Unfortunately, they're in Switzerland, so they're probably not so cheap because the dollar is a bit weak at the moment, but that's unfortunately how it is. Here in the navigation, you find your personal information. However, your address, your orders, your payment methods. If your credit card expires, you change it here. And what is also cool, a referral system. If you recommend this website to others, and they get a premium membership, then you get constant I would say referral fees which put down your costs. It's quite cool. Down here we also have the music department. If you're interested, here are different music departments. As you can see, my main feature, fart music, guitar music, but also piano music. And what is also, fart music has a community, and if maybe you never heard of it, but you can check it out. It's also new, available in Dolby Atmos, and if you love fart music, you can also donate and become a fart music supporter. There's also a monthly newsletter, which I send to everybody who is a current premium member or has been a premium member, so you always can keep track what's going on. If you want to have the fart music newsletter, you have to become a fart music supporter, then you get the fart music newsletter. Yo, one more to say, if you feel like you want to leave the website, that's of course no problem. You can request that all your data gets deleted, so your data is completely safe. For me, it's very important. I'm not misusing your data, it's just there as a organization tool. But if you want to leave it and you want to delete all your posts, all your data, you can request that I delete all your data. Sometimes it takes a while because I don't go in that feature every day. Sometimes I see it 2 weeks later, but it will get deleted. Yo, that's all I want to say. Maybe see you in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy.